Today we are exploring the Sailfish Splash water park in Stuart, Florida. We're looking forward to a wonderful day enjoying this park, but first I'm going to give you a quick tour. The central focus of the water park is this splash pad, which our kids have absolutely loved, especially Vivian. Did you have a great time? Yeah! All right.
Vivian, she's having a great time out there, but he's just here for the snacks, like he is for everything.
There's also a lazy river, a couple of pretty big water slides, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, and this kind of volleyball area. There's a snack kiosk and a cafe. The price for entry is $18.25 per adult and $16.25 per child from 1 to 12. And of course, cabana rentals are also available. All right, the park opened at 10:30 and we usually eat a pretty early lunch. It's almost 11 now, so we are going to check out the Splash Cafe. It has all your typical things like cheeseburgers, hot dogs, french fries, pizza, chicken tenders, and some sweet treats. Pierce already decided that he doesn't want to be here. I think that the splashing from the splash pad seems to be scaring him a little bit, so he didn't really want to get in the water. We were waiting on the food together.
We found some food!
That was fun!
And now we relax. Other than Pierce wandering around all the chairs trying to take the stray shoes that have been left behind.
So one thing to know about this water park is that you're gonna have to bring all of your own things. So bring your own towels, bring your own floaties for your kids, obviously your own sunscreen. It's some water parks, they provide all of that for you and they don't allow other flotation devices. I know we've been to a few like that. But at this one, you want to make sure you're prepared and bring all of those things with you.
All right, we've been sitting for a little while and now I'm gonna go on the lazy river because that is my favorite thing at any water park. Although this one's not very large. So I was actually surprised by how long the lazy river happens to be. And I really don't know what a standard speed for a lazy river is, but this one really seems to clip along at a very steady pace. Overall, I will say that was a pretty enjoyable experience, except for that there are a few places throughout the entire lazy river where there is water that is being sprayed in lots of different directions. And then with this feature, it's being dumped on top of you, and it's almost impossible to avoid that. But that sort of makes it so that the lazy river is not as relaxing as I typically like. And that is kind of my favorite aspect of a lazy river, is relaxation. We finally found something that Piercy actually liked. Meanwhile, Vivian, this whole time, Pierce found something else he actually likes. The shower. I think I saw people with churros, so I know what I need to do. So churros come in 3s, which is pretty awesome. And they're a little bland, but I mean, they're deep fried dough with some cinnamony sugar on them. So, I mean, how bad could they possibly be? All right, by now we've been here a few hours, so it's time to give Vivian the countdown. And we're gonna leave in the next 10 minutes. But don't forget that there's also a gift shop. So if you happen to forget something, then you can pick it up there. Or if you wanna buy some really expensive souvenirs, then you can always pick those up too. So I wanted to go down the slide one more time.